My name is Dimitris Mitskos from Systems and Solutions at Wurth Canada. At our expo here, we are displaying our Mercedes Sprinter van, fully equipped with ORSYmobil, our vehicle storage solutions that provide our customer a secure and organized workplace for their employees. We also have solutions that we offer our customers for pickup trucks, and here we also have a Ford F-150 truck to display what we have.
Hi, my name is Kaplan Pylan. I'm the Sales and Solutions Manager for ORSYmobil, vehicle equipment at Wurth Canada. We are today at the Canadian Concrete Expo, and we're showcasing our products and our shelvings at the show for the construction division. As you guys can see, this is also a van configuration. We manufacture the different qualities available based on your needs, customized drawings with rate recommendation approved by the Ministry of Transportation Canada. As you guys can see, this is something you will receive pre-assembled, plug and play, ready to go.
I'm Pete Mepham, International Key Accounts. I'm very excited and proud to have the ORSYmobil display here, the expo here, the Cement Expo. We got lots of attention here. This is one of the biggest shows I've been here at the International Center. And we're very proud to have the expo here to give the cement industry some exposure to our ORSYmobil. So, unbelievable event. Really proud to be here, and we're getting some great leads here.
Our vehicle equipment is designed and manufactured in Germany with a short lead time based on your needs. As you guys see, this is a Ford F-150 design, but we designed for the local Canadian market, especially for the construction division or for the concrete people.
If you are looking for any innovative solutions, when we're talking about vehicle storage solutions, RFID technology, 3D printing, digital inventory solutions, please come to our booth or contact us at wurthcanada.ca.